Hey everyone! Today, we'll walk you through how to use story.mapog.com's export tool to download your map data in various formats. First, head over to story.mapog.com and open your existing map or create a new one. Give it a proper name and description. I've already added layers. Watch our tutorial on Add Data. With MAPOG's export tool, you can export data layers from your map and change the Output CRS as needed. Once you're in, click on Process Data from the left panel and select Export Tool. Hey, choose the layer you want to export. This could be roads, buildings, land parcels, whatever data you need. MAPOG provides 20+ export formats, including GML, KML, KMZ, GeoJSON, shapefile, and many more. Pick the format that suits your GIS software or project needs. You can also set the Output CRS at this stage. Click Export File, and the tool will process your request. In seconds, your file will be automatically downloaded to your device, ready for use in any GIS software. With MAPOG's export tool, exporting spatial data is quick, easy, and highly flexible. Whether you're a researcher, a GIS professional, or mapping enthusiast, this tool helps you efficiently manage and share your geospatial data. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@mapog.com.